This crypto bear market cycle has been different than ones prior. And what I'm talking about is the collapse of large entities such as Voyager, Celsius, Terra Luna, and most recently FTX, right? This is the big one that is in the news currently. And my heart definitely goes out to anybody that lost money in any of these holdings, okay? Because obviously anybody losing money in crypto, not a great thing. But this may have been a blessing in disguise. Now, what I mean by this is these bear market cycles are the times where we figure out who are the true, big players in the game that are going to last the test of time and which ones are the pretenders. And the pretenders tend to get flushed out during these times, whether that be, exchanges, coins, chains, all these sorts of things. It seems to play out time and time again. Obviously, it's just on a larger scale now because crypto has grown at the rate that it has. The market cap of crypto has gotten to, a point where it's so big that, anytime this happens, it's going to be a larger part of the news. Now, again, I say this is a silver lining because when these sorts of things happen, right, it gives us an example of what to look out for in the future. Now, again, I hate that anybody has to lose money in crypto, but it's a great example, right? It sets an example for the rest of crypto. Hey, this model doesn't necessarily work. Okay, this is something that can obviously be carried moving forward. And as we move forward into different times, because obviously we know that regulation is going to be coming at some point, right? That's the big thing that government is trying to push right now. We know that it can be shaped the right way. And that's why ClearCryptos is important. That's why ClearCryptos has the opportunity to have a seat at the table and help guide these sorts of regulations in the right direction, right? From people that are knowledgeable in the industry that know how to do things properly. Because when the government, sees these sorts of things, these big headlines in the news of all these bad things going on, they want to, more so jump right in and just kind of regulate whichever way they see fit. But again, this lays some good groundwork for the future moving forward. Okay. Crypto now is stronger than it was before because, again, a lot of these bad actors have now been flushed out. Big people like Charles Hoskinson, among others, are saying that this may have been obviously one of the last bad actors that have been flushed out during this bear market cycle. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that, it's not going to happen in the future or anything like that, right? There's always going to be more and more things that happen in crypto as crypto continues to move forward and evolve. But again, crypto now has an opportunity to recover and become stronger than it was before. And now having these out of the space, crypto really has an opportunity to move forward and become better than it was prior. So this is obviously not financial advice or anything like that. This is more so my opinion, but it's the opinion of a lot of people that I've talked to as well. Crypto is definitely the way of the future. It's not going anywhere. And the more of the good players that we have in the space, the more people that want to see crypto succeed and want to do it by doing things the right way, the better it's going to be for the long haul. So as always, I appreciate you guys stopping in, checking out the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, do show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button. I can't talk right now. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Tons of content coming your guys' way every single day. And yeah, hope to see you guys in the next one. And I, again, hope to see you in the next one. Take care.